Welcome to the channel. Yes, the Fancy Pink Chick YouTube channel. Okay, girls, guys, anybody and everybody, if you saw that thumbnail and you too want to know how to create this little girl right here, do you see her in your screen? Tell me, guys, have you ever seen this before? We'll have a moment of silence. Think about it. Think about it. Okay, if you're not sure where you have seen this, let me tell you right now, you have seen this little Barbie mannequin head at the DT, and DT is going to be the Dollar Tree. Girls, guys, gents, anybody and everybody, I say it on this channel and I mean it wholeheartedly. I need you to always think out of the box. Now, if you look at this girl closely, she is a $1.25 Dollar Tree mannequin. Now, I did what I call embellishing and putting that fancy touch on this girl because I will definitely be adding her to my Christmas tree this year. Yes, girls, I said it right. My Christmas tree. She is going to be a Christmas ornament that is going to hang from my tree. Now, do you see where I have embellished her? That is the question. Girls, now do you remember seeing her? You have seen her in passing plenty of times at your local Dollar Tree. Now, you see this little box? This is the box that she comes in. So what I did, I changed her to my liking. And girls, I am totally comfortable with what I did to her. You too can do this, or you can embellish her even more. I find that putting something around her neck, putting anything on her neck makes her look a little scary. So I decided not to go with putting something around her neck. I gave her these pearl earrings, and girls, I will show you exactly what I used to achieve this. Now, she comes exactly like this. This is what you'll see her. She is a styling head at the Dollar Tree. So, of course, you have seen this, and she probably is right now at your local DT waiting for you to embellish her to your own liking. And guys, they do have, if anyone is interested, they do have a assortment of different race dolls. So if you don't like this particular one and you want to have this particular one or an even darker skinned one, they are available at the Dollar Tree. So let me show you what I used to do this. All of these items, guys, are Dollar Tree items. These are some beads, pearl beads that are at the Dollar Tree. So as you can see, we have stuff falling, ladies. We have stuff falling. But as you can see, I took these and I have my handy dandy hot glue gun. Guys, I just hot glued these on, the pearls onto her ears. Now, with this boa feather situation in her head, I just took a Dollar Tree boa, girls, that are for all the little girls. I cut a piece to the size that I prefer, and I hot glued that around her hair as well. Now, what I did do also, I'll show you her in the box. Are you guys ready for your PINKNESS Christmas? Because I undoubtedly I am. And guys, I want to say right now, you see me with gloves. That is because I was doing another craft project and I did not want my nails to get messed up. But as you can see, my nail is coming through the glove. But this is how she comes. She comes with her ponytail basically hanging down. And as you can see, I prefer her hair to be up. So what I did, I literally twisted the hair as so, twirled it around like this, and I put a rubber band to hold the hair like this. I prefer it to be up in a ponytail. I think it is much more cuter for me. And in doing that, guys, once I don't have the rubber band right here, but I put the rubber band around to hold the ponytail. And then I hot glued the pearls on her. That was what I did next. I did the ponytail first, then I hot glued the pearls on the ears. Then I cut a piece of the boa. And girls, it'll be nice if you have like a bag or some type of paper in the area that you're working, because when working with this feather boa, these feathers get everywhere, and we don't want the feathers everywhere. So I cut, I'll show you guys right here, like let's say the ponytail, I put a piece around the ponytail. So for me, I just eye it to my liking, and then guys, I cut. I want to make sure that I don't cut my finger. Now this piece is the piece that I will use to put around her hair. Now then I took some ribbon, guys, and I got this ribbon from Walmart. I took some ribbon. If you're like, okay, Fancy, I don't know how to make a bow, I'm going to show you that right quick, how quick and easy you too can make a bow. I just cut it. Now what you do, I have my hot glue gun over here as well. Guys, you take both, when you cut the piece of ribbon, you literally just take it and you have the two pieces touching like this, if you can see this in the screen. And this is a shorter piece, so I want the bow to be a little longer. So as I'm looking at it, I see that I'm going to need to cut a little bit longer strip. So this strip now is longer. So I'm going to take this piece, I'm going to take my hot glue gun, guys. This is how you make a bow really quickly and easy, believe it or not. Guys, you see the little, I have the glue right here. Now I brought that over and then bring it, and for someone else this may be very, very easy, because if your nails is nowhere near as long as mine, then to make a bow for you, and if I wasn't doing it on camera, it would be even easier for me, guys. So because I am standing here and I'm doing it on camera, it's making something that is an easy project seem a little bit harder. But for all of my girls that say they are not DIYers, you too can do this, because again, it's just for It's just for this little Barbie. Okay, now that I have the piece like this, I literally am going to take it and smush it down. You gather them. You gather your little two pieces. And guys, you can cut as I have gathered it right here. I am going to put a bob of hot glue. Now, you could clean this up and make this look really put together by cutting another piece of ribbon. You can cut another piece of ribbon and you could put it here in the center and glue it together, and your bow would be like this. But I don't want to do that. I just want to squish it together. So from the back, I'm going to put a little glob of hot glue right there and press it together. Now you want to put a little glob so you don't burn yourself, because this hot glue, it will definitely get you if you are sleeping on the fact of how hot this is. If you have a low temp gun, that may be a little better. Now guys, do you see that little bow? That is doable for me for right now for this. So once I put the feather on her head, on her ponytail, then I'll just place this bow. And guys, I think I'm going to put another piece of embellishment, and that is going to be, I am going to cut a piece from here, and I'm going to put that in front of the bow. So if you was here for this little Barbie doll turned into Christmas tree ornament, give the video a thumbs up, because your girl will definitely be showing you these placed on the tree. Okay, tell a friend to tell a friend about all the things that we have going on over here at the Fancy Pink Chick, and stay tuned for the reveal of the Christmas tree.